Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the pen game. This clever social riddle is perfect for groups of 2 or more people, requiring only a single pen to get started. The main goal is for everyone to figure out a hidden verbal rule. It's a fantastic way to spark conversation and bring a lot of laughs to any gathering, making it a memorable experience for all participants. To begin, one person who already knows the secret rule takes a pen. They will then point the pen around the room, gesturing at various objects or people. While doing this, they must confidently say the phrase, "I can play the pen game, can you play the pen game?" This action sets the stage for the challenge, inviting others to try and replicate their performance. The simple, yet often missed, secret to playing correctly is to say the word "okay" immediately before uttering the main game phrase. For example, you would say, "Okay, I can play the pen game, can you play the pen game?" The elaborate pointing and gesturing are merely a distraction, designed to mislead new players. It's a subtle detail that makes all the difference. A player successfully joins the game by correctly saying "okay" before the phrase. If they miss it, the pen returns to the previous player. The game continues, with players taking turns, until everyone in the group has successfully figured out and stated the secret word. Once mastered, you can then introduce this fun, mind-bending riddle to new groups, spreading the enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.